How to import products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're looking to import Aliexpress products to Shopify, it's very simple and easy. However, it can be very difficult if you don't know the right way how you should do that and what kind of tools you should be using. So I'm going to break it down for you guys step by step and let's get into it. Now, the first thing you have to do is head on over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on Settings on the bottom left, and then click on your Apps and Sales Channels once again on the left side. Then click on your Shopify App Store on the top right. Now, keep in mind that there is no direct integration available for you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress, so we're going to be using a third-party dropshipping tool such as Deezers or CJ Dropshipping. So simply search for AliExpress over here. And once you search for AliExpress, you will see multiple different integrations are available. Now, I recommend using Deezers or CJ Dropshipping because I have a lot of experience using these platforms and they have been super amazing to use. Now, there's also Zopi AliExpress Dropshipping, which has been built for Shopify. This is a relatively new Shopify integration that I've seen, but if you want, you can check that out as well. But we're going to click on Deezers over here and click on Install. Once you click on Install, we're going to proceed with our installation of Deezers. Now keep in mind you will have to create a separate Deezers account when you are using the Deezers platform to integrate AliExpress products into your store. Now you guys can see over here, Deezers is going to head on over and ask me to confirm my login. I already have created an account and logged into it, but if you don't have an account with Deezers, simply sign up with your email address and create a suitable password, and then click on login and authorize. Once you do that, you can go on ahead and type in your email and password. Like this, we have logged onto our Deezers account now, and now you have to complete your authentication check. Now, after you have completed your linking of accounts, you will be able to see AliExpress in your Find Suppliers section. And from here, you can find any AliExpress product. Now, there are a few ways that you can proceed with this. First off, make sure that your Shopify store has been added correctly. So if you go on ahead and go into your basic settings, you can see you can set up your pricing rules and you have your sales channel settings. Go into your sales channel settings and go into store management. Click on add stores over here, and then you will be able to see the stores that you have currently added. So we're just going to go on over here into Shopify and go into our sales channel, go into our store management, click on add stores, and then we're going to see the store that we've currently added. So this is our current store, and you can click on add stores over here like this, and this will open up the Deezers application, and click on open app to make sure that your application has been installed. Now, once you have the Deezers application installed, you can either proceed with using Deezers as it is, and you can find products on AliExpress directly within the Deezers platform. However, there is a Deezers extension available that can make it easier for you to be able to browse products, simply because if you're browsing like this, for some people, that can be a little annoying and it can be a little time consuming because it's not full screen and you don't really, get the Deezers view. So for that, you can open up AliExpress. So you can open up AliExpress normally and simply go on to Google and then search for Chrome Web Store. Once you go on to the Chrome Web Store, you're going to search for Deezers. Now, once you search for Deezers, you will see over here you have the Deezers AliExpress Product Importer. You're going to click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Once you add this extension, you're just going to open this up on your extension bar on the top right, and you're going to log on to your Deezers account over here. And we're just going to click on login over here to make sure that we have logged in and for our extension to be integrated. So we're going to just click on OK. And now you will see over here that we have the application installed. And once the application says go to AliExpress to import products, you will be able to import directly from AliExpress. So now if I go on to AliExpress and I open up any product that I like. So let's say I was browsing AliExpress and I liked let's say that I like this product over here. So if I open up this product, you will be able to see on your right side, you have all of the different buttons to order your product, and you actually have a add to Deezers button now added. This button will now be available to all the AliExpress products that are listed, and you can simply click on add to Deezers. Now I don't have to use the Deezer's native landing page or Deezer's native homepage to browse my products. Now, once I've added to Deezer's, it will show me a pop-up on the top right, which says AliExpress product import success. Now, if I go onto Deezer's and go into my import list over here, you will be able to see your product. So this was the product that we just imported. Now, once we have our product imported, I can simply click on push to store if I want to add it as it is. But if I want to customize the name, the variants, the colors, prices, and more, you're going to click on edit products on the bottom left. And then you can choose the variants you want and the name you want. So I don't want this long name. I'm just going to make it shorter like this. Now, after that, I'm going to choose the store I want to import to, and then I'm going to choose the type as well as the collection and tags. Now, this is really going to be variable. This just really depends on your store categorization, how you have categorized or structured your store, whether or not you have like a separate handbag section, whether you have subcategories in handbags. So you're just really going to organize accordingly. Now, after that, you have your title image, and then you're going to go into variants. So we have the blue variant, red variant, large plus, and the large variant. Now, let's say I only want to sell this in the black variants like this. So I only am going to do these two items. And then after that, I have the standard pricing options, the basic price, and then some SKU numbers that are being used. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to click on save as I go. And once I'm satisfied with this, let's say I want to make further edits, I can go into edit product, go into images, let's say, and then let's say I want to delete some of the images. Let's say I want to make this one the cover image, so I can click on edit, and then I can, tint it as well and have some more editing options, but I'm just going to click on save. And once I'm satisfied with my editing, I can click on push to store over here. Now you're going to choose the store that you want to push this to, and you have the automatic pricing rule as well, but you can choose to add your own pricing as well. Now I'm just going to click on push to stores over here, and then within a couple of seconds, my product will be added to my Shopify store from AliExpress. So let's take a look at our products on our Shopify store. And it might take a few minutes for the entirety of your product to be imported. This really depends on the number of variants you have. And you guys can see our product has been added. You will see it's an active product. This is our product, and I can click on preview on online store to see what the product is looking like on our online store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.